Hey, so the devil is in the details. So I love working in these fancy hotels. This is so beautiful. Now, when it comes to the bidding process and logistic process, you have to make sure that you ask for specs and instructional assembly before trying to put numbers on what it's going to take to install something like this. This is a fridge cabinet, super fancy one. The fridge goes right there. I don't think this is not functional, but it has a door to the side with 3 shelves. Pretty cool. Love this alligator type of leatherage style to it. And you have your coffee machine on top. Well, on the prints, it shows you like this. You'll think it comes like that from factory. Just open the box, push it back, set it to the ground, and it's installed, right? You think, well, that takes 2 guys, probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes, something like that per unit. However, when we received this furniture, these fake hinges right here came unassembled, and you have to put them and install them. So this one has 4 sets of screws. So there's 16 screws total that you have to put and screw in perfectly. So it's level. You don't see it sideways. It has to be perfectly level, right? You can't damage it. It's finished. It has a finished bronze to it. Another thing you have to take into account is that this power plug right here, or power box, did not came with the unit. It came separate. So you have to now drop that in, go inside the unit, send a guy to go screw it from the bottom. Super uncomfortable to do it, but again, that's extra time. There's an extra package that you have to take into account. And yeah, those are things that you don't see if you don't ask for extra details. And on top of that, the stone right here came separate on a separate crate. So you have to figure out where it goes, because there's different kind of fridge cabinets. There's some of them that are smaller, which is only the fridge size. Some of them are bigger than this. So now you have a couple of crates of stone that you have to send up to the rooms. You have to glue it down. You have to take into account that these stones don't come with glue. So you got to go to Home Depot and purchase that, or to your supply store and purchase some glue. So now you're in for that. On top of that, this is cleated behind. Hard to tell, probably can't get it through, but you can tell there's a cleat. Right there's a cleat. So you have to, 2 guys have to lift it and hang it into the wall so it doesn't tip. So ask always for details. We got here one of the old presidents. I'm not sure who it is or who is that person, but on the prints it show one artwork, right? Once you get to the job and you start installing it, you see that you got an A, you got a B, and you got a C, and it's a collage. So instead of just doing one artwork, and what you see on the blueprints as one artwork is really 3 pieces of artwork per room. So you have 150 rooms, you multiply that by 3. And now you have to take that into account when you get these jobs and you start looking into bidding. Hey, is there any group arts? If there is, which one is it? So that way you can estimate and put a bid together that takes into account the time that it takes to install 3 pieces of artwork versus just being one. So I'll leave you guys with that.